Hello, I am E. Raja Reddy, designation Senior Lecturer, Branch Mechanical Engineering, Institute, Government Polytechnic, Hyderabad, Masab Tank, first year, subject Basic Workshop Technology, code number M105, major topics, drilling, duration 40 minutes, subtopic work holding devices. Recap. In the last class, we have discussed about following. Drill vise is fastened on the table. Parallel bars are used to raise the workpiece and stop the damaging the vise and machine table. Step blocks are used to support the other end of the clamps. Objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to know work holding devices for drilling operation and their uses. Clamps and T-bolts. Clamps and T-bolts are used to clamp the work to the table and avoid inaccuracy of work accidents. It should be arranged to grip near to the drilling. Free end of each clamp should be clamped. Clamps and T-bolts. So clamps and the schematic diagram is representing clamps and T-bolts. This is the one of the work holding devices. In this one, the machine table is there. The machine table is having slots. In that slots, we could insert the T-bolts over the drilling machine table. The step blocks are placed as shown in the figure, and the work will be placed exact position over the parallel bars, and over the step and the work there is a clamp is placed by inserting the hole which will be on clamp to the bolts either sides, and with the help of the nut, by placing washer and nut will be, the bolt will be fixed. With the help of two bolts, the work will be held rigidly, which will be placed over the parallel bars, and it will be clamped rigidly. It is fixed rigidly between the two clamps and two parallel bars, rigidly over the drilling machine table. Exact position, the marked position will be exactly, the drill bit will be placed and start the machine and do the drill hole in the workpiece. The workpiece totally upper side to lower side completely the drill bit will becomes and total operation is to total drill hole. It will drills the holes. Even though the drill bit comes out, it will not interrupt to the machine table or vice or any of the other object because the workpiece will be placed just above the machine table by taking the support of the parallel bars. The purpose of the parallel bars to keep the workpiece at certain elevation to the bench and held rigidly because of the drill bit will be make the holes and comes to the other end of the workpiece. It may not be the workpiece may not be placed on the machine table. If it is on machine table, the drill bit will be comes out to the other side of the workpiece. Hence, the drill bit may be spoil the work table. Hence, to avoid that disadvantage, the workpiece will be placed over the parallel bars and clamped rigidly. Even though the drill bit will be make the holes in the entire the thickness of the workpiece and comes out other side of the workpiece, that is a much gap. Hence, it will not spoil the machine table. That is why we are going to use the parallel bars. Next one is the angle plate. It has two faces with slots and holes. Work is attached to one of its faces. The angle plate schematic diagram is represented. This is the angle plate, which is exactly a rectangle. To that rectangle, there is a central hole is there. The workpiece will be placed rectangular, one of the rectangular faces at the center hole, inserting the bolt and nut. It is fit tightly by keeping the workpiece where we have to make the hole underneath the drill bit, spotted the marked area. Then drill bit will be placed over the mark and do drilling. Hence, it will comes to the other end of the workpiece, even though it will not disturb the other components. Hence, this angle plate will be used to clamp the workpiece asymmetrical. Next one is the work holding devices of V blocks. V block with U clamp is used to hold round jobs. You see, this is the schematic diagram. Figure number 3 represents the V block, a V-shaped block. Under the V shape, we have to lay out the round bar with the help of U clamp. With the bolt, you can fit the workpiece rigidly to the V block, and that will be keep underneath the drilling machine drill bit exact position, exact marked position, and we have to place the drill bit on exact marked position and do drilling. It will comes to the other end of the workpiece, even though it will not spoil the drill bit to the other components. And this round bar, normally we cannot held rigidly in the vise. Vise is, we can hold the workpieces, whether it may be of flat and rectangular and square, just like devices only, just like cross-sectional devices of materials, but not round. Round bars can be held rigidly by using V-blocks and U-clamp and bolt. The schematic diagram of V-block is shown in the figure you see. This is the V-block. So V-shaped portion is there. On that V-shaped board, you have to lay out the round objects, that V-block. The help of U-clamps and bolts fit rigidly. Next one is the drill jig. Locate and holds the work in proper position. Locate and holds the work in proper position by means of drill jig. It guides the drill to get the holes in same exact location on all the parts. This will be used for mass production. The drill jig, jigs and fixtures will be used. Why jigs and fixtures will be used? Jigs and fixtures will be used for precision work in mass productions. Precision work in mass productions. What is the function of the jig? It will holds and locates the workpiece in proper position and guides the drill to get the exact location on the parts. For that purpose, we have to use the jigs, drill jig. A drill jig seems to be shown in the figure you see. This is the drill jig. It is having eye bolts. This is the workpiece and swinging jig plate, hand knob. These are the components of the drill jig. The workpiece will be placed as shown in the figure. The drill bit will be placed the central portion of the swinging jig plate. The drill bit will becomes exactly, and it will holds, locates and gives the positions such that it will drill exact hole, a correct hole, the center of the located point on the workpiece. Hence it is the drill jig. A drill jig. You see, this is the drill jig. Figure show drill jig. This is the drill jig. It will holds, locates, positions the exact point on the workpiece where the drill is to be made. The made drill will be exact. Summary regarding these chapters. In this class, we have learnt angle plates has two faces with slots and holes. V blocks used to hold the round jobs with U clamps. Clamps and T-bolts used to hold the work to table. Drill jigs is used to locate and holds the work properly. Quiz bit 1. The following devices is used to hold the cylindrical objects. Bit A, V block. Bit B, angle plate. Bit C, drill jig. Bit D, vise. To hold the cylindrical objects, which one is used? Yes, V blocks. V blocks are used. Hence, bit A is the correct answer. Quiz bit 2. The following devices is used to locate, holds the work and guides the tool. Bit A, V block. Bit B, drill jig. Bit C, drill jig. Bit D, step block. Device used to locate, holds and guides. Holds, locates and guides. Which one? Yes, drill jig is the correct answer. Expected questions regarding this period's chapter. Question number 1. What is the function of V block? Question number 2. What is the use of angle plate? Question number 3. What is the function of drill jig?